Hi guys! This is my Mima.
And this is my Arella. For today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella. So we can check how smart she is. Ito, magugustuhan mo to.
Sige.
Would you rather have a ghost in your attic or a monster under your bed? Would you rather have a ghost in your attic, that's the upper part of the house, or you want a monster under your bed, pero they are friendly naman? So, anong gusto mo? Ghost. Alam mo naman yung ghost, di ba? So, you have a ghost in your attic or a monster in your bed?
Ay, wala.
Pero friends no. Pero, teka lang. Pero,
when I sleep this,
pero they are friendly. You can talk to them nicely.
kasama kita.
Oo, sige, magkasama tayo. Pero ano?
Okay.
What?
So, may monster sa akin. Nagising tayo.
Ayan nga, a monster under our bed that we can talk to sometimes, or you want a ghost in your attic.
Kunyari lang.
Oo, kunyari lang naman.
Monster.
You want to have a monster.
Kasi, alam mo bakit?
Why?
Kasi, I like spiders.
Monster ang sinasabi ko, di naman spider eh.
Oo nga, baka, I will ask them, can I go to your place that they have spiders? Baka sabi nila, yes. Then, punta na tayo.
Baka kamo si yung monster may mga friend na spiders and you want to see them. Okay. Ang mga monsters, ano ba yung mga monster? Ano ba yung tsura ng mga monster? Ayoko rin ma-imagine. Siguro yung mga pocket monster. Pokemon, they're pocket monsters. Okay. Pero siguro naman, pretending they're just friendly. So, yun ang gusto ni Arella. She wants to have a friend, a monster under her bed.
Ano gusto mo?
Ako?
Wala.
Ano what? I want a ghost in the attic. Kasi pag ghost kasi, parang they can fly everywhere di ba? Lumilipad sila, yung mga spirits lang sila. O di pag meron akong gustong iutos, mauutos ko. Sabihin ko ako, pumawa ka ng ibili mo ka ng ganun sa market. Buy me first in the market.
Matatakot naman sila
Oo nga, baka matakot yung ibang
Wala.
tao.
Siyempre, wala. Yaya na lang.
Matatakot yung ibang tao pag nakita sila. Okay. Thank you for answer, Rella. That's a good question. Answer though. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Wait lang guys.
Teka, wait lang. Mamaya na. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless. Please follow us. Please support us.